Hello everyone, we've finally reached the last day of the work week, and here's a quick check of what you can expect in terms of weather conditions. And after a fairly cloudy start in the far eastern parts with some fog along the escarpments as well, things will be clearer for the afternoon, and later on we expect a few thunder showers to pop up in places for Gauteng, the Mpumalanga Highveld, as well as over some areas in Limpopo. Partly cloudy all across the northern interior where it remains dry, and while a cold front is approaching, that's going to be causing bergwind conditions for the southern parts of the country where we expect some very high temperatures into this afternoon. Quick look at the rainfall map, and we see just isolated thunder showers from Gauteng into Limpopo as well as parts of the northwest, extremely isolated for Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld, and some early light rain possible over the far northeastern corner of Limpopo, including the escarpment and the far northern Lowveld, but that will be clearing out as well. Here's a quick check of the alerts, and there is a warning in place for a high fire danger all across the western interior. Hot and gusty conditions expected for the region today, and that could lead to runaway fires developing. Here are your temperatures for the northern parts, and most places will be quite hot. Johannesburg and Polokwane get to 28 degrees for today. A hot day lies ahead for KZN as well as the Free State, but check out the Eastern Cape, extremely hot conditions for some parts of this province. Northeasterly winds are going to become fresh at times this afternoon from Richards Bay all the way through to East London. Lighter winds for Port Elizabeth with a maximum temperature of 30 degrees. The extreme heat is also expected for the southern interior of the country, especially into the Karoo, Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West, getting to 38 degrees, Somerset East reaching a high of 39. Milder along the coastline, although it is going to be a bit warmer than it was yesterday over this area, and a northwesterly wind is expected for Muizenberg, keeping things milder over that area. For the Northern Cape, almost all areas getting above 30 degrees Celsius. It's going to be a gusty day, as mentioned, over the southern high ground in particular, wind speeds getting up to about 40 kilometers per hour for some areas. Towards the west coast, we have a southwesterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Cape Town. Those are going to be light to moderate at times, and a swell coming in from the same direction reaches a height of about 2.5 meters. A quick look ahead to tomorrow and Saturday. We'll start off with some early light rain around Cape Town. That's going to spread along the coastline as the cold front moves through these areas. Partly cloudy for the central parts where it remains dry, while up in the far northern parts there could be 1 or 2 thunder showers in places.